Let us start new chapter. Chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Tick Tick Tick. That means about clock. Pankaj and Sania were discussing whose home is father from school. They both are talking. You can see here they are talking about the distance between the school from home. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school, he is telling. I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school, she is telling. Impossible, your home is farther from school. Then he is telling because he has seen her house. So the boy is telling, no, your home is farther from school. So how is it possible you can come school in 2 minutes? So the girl is telling, but I checked my watch. She is very confident and she is telling, मैंने तो अपनी घड़ी में देखा है, मुझे तो 2 मिनट ही लगता है स्कूल पहुंचने में. जबकि लड़का क्या बोल रहा है कि नहीं, मैं जानता हूँ तुम्हारा घर तो बहुत दूर है. I start from school at 7 o'clock. She is explaining to him, I start from school at 7 o'clock. कि मैं स्कूल तो 7 बजे से निकलती हूँ. 7 o'clock you can see here our hand. It is small hand is called our hand, and this is the little bit bigger than this. So it is called a minute hand. So small hand is at 7 and minute hand is at 12. Okay, so 7 o'clock. When I reach school, the minute hand points at 2. So see here, minute hand is now 8 on 2. But according to time where the minute hand is there, you will recall the table of 5 that times. That means 5 2s are 10. I will tell you why we have chosen the the table of 5. So when I reach school, the minute hand at point at 2. So she is understanding 7 o'clock and 2 minutes I'll take to reach school. The meaning of 2 is 10 because the distance between the 12 to 1 is 5. So in 10 minutes. So shouldn't it be 2 minutes past on 7 o'clock and 2 minutes. Okay. Now turn the page. Oh no, you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. The boy is telling, you don't know how to see, how to read the watch. You are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. Then girl is telling, how? Can you see these thin lines between the numbers? The boy is explaining. See here, thin lines between the every number. Start counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5. The difference between the numbers is 5 thin lines. One thin lines denote 1 minute. Yes. So what? The girl is not able to understand. Boy उसको कह रहा है, the boy is telling कि तुम thin line नहीं देख सकती watch में. Then girl is replying, yes I know, I can see. But so what? What is the meaning of this thin line? The minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12, so it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. You can count this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I start for school at 7. I reach at 7:05. See, the minute hand moves across 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Practice time. 3 friends read time from a clock who is right. I will send you one video how to read the clock. The funda is to read the clock. Small hand is called hour hand. Hour hand is suppose that on 2 and minute hand is it on 12, so 2 o'clock. Hour hand is at 1 and minute hand is on at 12, so 1 o'clock. Same way 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. On 12 o'clock, both the minute hand and hour hand, both the hands will be on 12. Now suppose that I will teach you clock by these examples. Okay, 3 friends read time from a clock. Who is right? Okay, Chiku, Bittu, Pinky. Chiku's reply is 12 and 3 minutes. 12 o'clock and 3 minutes. Bittu is telling 12 o'clock and 15 minutes. That means quarter past 12. And Pinky is telling 3 o'clock. Now, according to the definition, first see hour hand. Hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is on 12. So the exact right time is 3 o'clock. So whose reply is correct? Whose answer is correct? Pinky. So here Pinky is correct. Okay. Now second, see here, hour hand between 5 and 6. So this hour hand you will take little bit back side. So 5 and minute hand is at on 7. Okay, minute hand is at 7. So table of 5 you will recall out, call out for 7 times. So 5 sevens are 35. So 5 past 35. 35 minutes past 5 o'clock. So 35 minutes. So 5:35. So correct answer is Pinky is replying. Now again see, hour hand is on at 7. Minute hand is on 3. So table of 5. So you will multiply 3 by 5. That means 5 3s are 15. So quarter past 15 minutes we read as a quarter. Quarter past 7. So 7:15. So Pinky knows very well how to read clock. Okay. Now see at page number 37. In 37 you can see 3:10. So small hand you will draw at in front of 3 and minute hand little bit bigger you will show with arrow in front of 2. So 3:10. Okay, draw neat and tidy. Now 6:40. So first hour hand, six and 5 adds up 40. So six, but this hour hand you will draw between 6 and 7. Why? Because when 6:40 is there, our hand move to forward little bit. Clear? That's why first I have drawn 6 and then you will take in between. That's why I explained in this way. Clear? Now 4:45. Same way 4. 4:45, that means quarter to 5. मतलब 5 बजने में 15 मिनट की देर है. 4:45 का ये मतलब होता है. And it is called quarter to 5. मतलब 5 में 15 मिनट की देर है. Okay, so how you will draw? you will first R hand, so it will be near to 5 because 4 is there, and R hand is when the 5 o'clock, it will be exact on 5. So now 15 minutes are left to 5 o'clock. Now 45, so 5 nines are, so minute hand little bit bigger hand you will draw for. Clear? So you will use ruler. Okay, so you will be able to draw in proper way. I am only explaining, children. Now this 2:20. Okay, so 2 o'clock first, and 20, so 5 fours are, so minute hand it will be on 4, 2:20. Now 3:15, so 3 o'clock, and both the minute hand and our hand both on will be, because 5 3s are 15, so 3s are, so minute hand also will be on 3, and our hand will be on 3. 7:35, so 6 is here. Now 7, so 7:35, you will take our hand between 7 and 8 because half past already done, and 35, so our minute hand you will take up 7, and this our hand you will take in between. Clear? Do you like sky watching? Yes, I like very much. I don't know about you children because yet now we have not met. Okay, so when you will come school, then I'll again ask. So if yes, then one should interest you. At what time does the sun rises at your place? This you will do yourself. So you will write the timing here also and here. When does the sun set? Here also you will draw the timing and write here. Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? No, it's not possible. Our Hindu calendar, that means in Panchang you can see the timing. In the newspaper also you can read the sunrise and sunset timing. Look at the newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different months. And children, one more thing I want to tell you here. We write before the timing AM and PM. The meaning of AM is anti-meridian and post-meridian. The meaning of this, after in the standard time we assume that 1 hour is equal to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours are how we assume. After 12 o'clock new day begins. So after in the night after 12 o'clock, so always 12 we write 12 midnight, then 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8 AM, 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 AM. And in the noon, if 12 o'clock is there, we read as a 12 noon. We will not read 12 PM or 12 AM, 12 noon. And in the noon, 12 o'clock, after 12, 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM, 9 PM, 10 PM, 11 PM, and then again 12 midnight. Okay, So keep this thing in your mind. In the on the railway station, always the timing, standard timing is always in 24 hours clock. Okay. Now see at page number 38. Look at the photo and gaze the time at this place. Okay. The photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. वहाँ पर रात कब होती है? 9 बजे, क्योंकि जब सूर्य अस्त होता है. So sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. In the noon 4 p.m. that means वहाँ पर dark हो जाता है 4 p.m. In which season? Winter. Now find out how long will it take the minute's hand to move from. Now you can see the time is this hour hand between 3 and 4. So little bit you will take back side. Okay. Now 3 and multiply 7 by 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So timing is 3:35. Now here is, you will take here little bit hour hand. So 3 and 10 5s are 15. Now 3:50, or you can read as a 4 में 10 की देर है. So 10 to 4 o'clock. 10 minutes to 4 o'clock. So timing you see here 5. Now minute hand is 8:07. So we take the difference between this is 5 minutes. Okay. So 5, 10, 15. So answer will be 15 minutes. Now next, see here next. Hour hand is at 6 and minute hand is at 1. So 5 minutes past 6 o'clock. Now we take this interval 5. So 5 and 5, 10. So timing is 10 minutes. 15 minutes past 6 o'clock. And standard language we tell this quarter past 6 o'clock. Now see here, you will take here hour hand because it is not exactly in front of 4. It is between the near to 4. So 20 minutes to 4 o'clock, or you can say 3 and 8 into 5, 40. So 40 minutes past 3 o'clock. Now see 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes you will write here, and exact 4 o'clock, hour hand in front of 4 and minute hand is at 12. Now see here 10 minutes past 7 o'clock, 5, 10. Now this is at 9. So interval 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So answer will be 35. And the timing is little, now not as exact 7:10, little bit you will take 7:45, or you can say that quarter to 8. मतलब 8 बजने में 15 मिनट की देर है. 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes are left to 8 o'clock. Okay, so quarter to 8 o'clock, or you can say that 7:45. And the minutes are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay.